Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study AP Psychology. First, familiarize yourself with the course content, which is divided into 9 main units. These units cover everything from research methods to social psychology. Pay attention to the weighting of each unit. For instance, biological bases of behavior accounts for 8 to 10% of the exam. This helps you prioritize your study efforts effectively. Next, focus on mastering the core content and vocabulary. Actively read your textbook, highlighting key information and taking thorough notes. Flashcards are incredibly useful for memorizing the hundreds of essential terms and prominent psychologists. Try to connect abstract concepts to real-world scenarios. This makes the information more memorable and easier to apply on the exam. Now, let's talk about practice. Regularly tackle multiple-choice questions from official College Board materials or reputable study guides. Crucially, practice writing free-response questions or FRQ under timed conditions. The AP Psychology exam typically has 2 FRQs, so dedicate about 25 minutes to each. Review your answers thoroughly to identify areas needing more attention. For your final preparation, review all unit summaries and your flashcards in the weeks leading up to the exam. On exam day, ensure you get adequate sleep and eat a healthy, balanced meal. During the test, read all instructions very carefully for both the multiple choice and free response sections. Manage your time wisely, allocating approximately 70 minutes for the multiple choice and 50 minutes for the FRQs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.